Hi guys! Punta kami sa beach for today's video. So guys, from the condo, doon tayo sa kabila, dito lang tayo sa papuntang Jomchan. Is it Jomchan Beach? Ha? Jomchan Beach? Where's that? Okay. Cozy Beach. Oh, sa Cozy Beach pala tayo. Hindi pala tayo sa Jomchan Beach. Okay.
Beach lang dito?
Oo, beach lang yung nandito. Ay, hindi ko bagay. So, this is the Peak Towers. Peak Towers lang pa tayo. I always seen that from Cozy Beach, sa condo namin. Nakikita namin, maganda yung niyan, maganda yung swimming pool nila dyan. Super. Ayan lang yun.
Tsaka ang...
Ano nandyan, Leng? Anong dala mo, Leng?
Malay ko ba?
So, dala niya pancake. May mga food kami dito. Pancake and Doritos and my paborito, mangosteen. Balls for Shoy. And there's Daddy and Shay. Lagi yan sila magkasama kaya pa magkamukha na yun silang dalawa. So, there is the way going to chocolate factory and Three Mermaids. Papunta dyan yung way na yan.
Ano yung beach na?
So, yan. What's that? Birds? Oh, yeah. Nice birds. You know, there is hiding. Over there, hiding there. Ang laki ng bird, in fairness. Yeah, guys. Siguro mga... How many meters to walk? How many kilometers to walk? How many kilometers to walk? Hindi ko alam. Mga siguro 500 meters. 500? That's long? Is that long? I don't know. Let's see.
Hula-hula lang siya.
Nanguhula lang ako talaga. Para may masabi lang.
Hula-hula.
Outfit check.
Dress.
Daka dress si ate.
Nanay ko guys nakakrap top.
Oh,
Ay, nasan ka? Ayan na. Mas ano pa siya kaysa sa akin guys.
Oo, mas baby pa daw ako kaysa sa kanya. Tapos si Shoy, ganyan lang sila. Kasi si Shay naka-swimsuit na sila. Tapos naka-dress lang sila. So and guys, this is the Montra Pattaya. Oh yan. Royal Baruna Yacht Club. Oh, social. Social kapag may mga club.
Ay!
Nice walking. Morning walk. Yan. Picture kayo dyan, nak.
Ayoko.
Picture ka, Shoy.
Hindi ako nahinga ng oxygen.
1, 2, 3.
Carbon dioxide.
See, alis ka dyan. Shoy. Huwag mong takpay mukha mo.
O ganun.
Nice one.
Tara na, nauna na sila. Kale. Ay! Nakalord.
The Cliff Beach Club. Dito ka, Tri.
Wait lang, hindi ko nakaya. Scary. Malapit na tayo.
Ha? Malapit na. How did you know malapit na tayo? Malayo tayo eh.
Kita ko na yun eh.
Doon tayo maglalakad.
Boys.
Ako naman. Do that. Going to beach there? Okay. Come here. Thank you.
Thank you.
So dito yung beach club. This is going to beach. Ito pala yung going to beach, guys. Nice one.
Oh my God.
Let's go. You okay? Go by yourself. Go first. Yan. Ito pababa dito yung beach. Papunta ng beach. Careful. Hold the bars. Hold the bars. Pababa dito ang papunta ng beach daw.
Antona, on the way back up you gotta carry me, okay?
So this this beach, this is open from 7 AM to 7 PM. Cassette scene. Okay. Nice one. The stairs is so small. Hold the bars, please. Okay. We are in the bus. Oh. This is different one. So, nandito tayo sa... Oh, nice. Look at that. Private speedboat charter. Oh, how can you go swim there?
Go down there.
Where?
Where all the chairs are.
Okay.
Joy, tara.
Over there. Punta daw tayo doon.
Joy.
Ayan mo siya maglaro. Happy Shay? Oh, take off your shoes. Carry your slipper.
How about you too?
Yeah. Carry
Time for
slipper.
me to run.
Oh, yeah. Nice one. Sarap? Happy? Get this. Antana, get daddy's slipper. Sarap? Happy si Choy Choy. Shay, carry my slipper na.
Uli ang kalapat.
Hindi. Wala na akong kamay. Umaya ka na mahuli ng kalapate. Gusto niya awakan ko yung ano niya. Manghuli siya ng kalapate. There's a lot of umbrellas. But then the business is closed, I guess. Closed yet. For now.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng sand. True.
Sarap ng sandwich. Oh,
Parang massage.
massage. Yep.
Dito tayo. Huwag kayo dyan.
Uy, wag ka dyan dadaan. Inayos na nila yan. Dito, get out there.
Oh God. Matuloy na lang tayo dito ah. Tara, takbo na tayo.
Nice beaches, guys. White sand. Ang ganda ng lupa. Diyos ko Lord. Diyos ko Lord talaga.
Hey, Joy. In between.
Swing, eh, no? Mamaya na. You know?
Get the ball.
Leng, ayan mo siya. Sige na, Leng.
Be careful.
We used to have this in Metro Park.
Metro Clark.
When
Nice one. Let's go.
Yoko, baka mahulog yung puno.
So, let's go. Get your slipper. Sorry? No. Island. He said island. You wanna go in island like that?
Follow his tips. Sure.
Malayo pa. I think you need a rain.
Oh. Not time yet. Not time yet, no. Or what? Oh, we can go there also, oh, babe. Oh. There's a stairway there.
Mommy,
Stairway.
There's many stairs that go up.
Oh, I guess.
This is right by the chocolate factory.
This one, yeah.
That's where we ate that.
Yan, meron tayo dyan. Meron tayo dyan stairway, ha?
We ate right there. The first
Oo, I know. There's a factory, chocolate factory over there sa taas. Hindi makiting kami ko. Pero yun, may stair din doon pa. Paakyat, papunta sa atin.
the queen of the island owns the top floor of that building.
Wow.
That's why a helicopter lands on that.
Oh.
That's why there's helicopters.
Yun, doon daw sa, dyan daw sa top na yan, yun sa white na yan, yan guys.
And no one
Yan,
can go
guys.
around that area. All
Yan, yung queen, own that, ano daw, owner daw siya na, yung queen daw dito, owner daw siya dyan. Kaya yung helicopter niya, dyan naglalanded. Siya lang daw yung may-ari dyan. Sa rooftop, sa ibabaw. So, dyan siya nag-i-stay, yung queen dito. Really, wow. Big time. Oh, I like that one. I like that place. Look at that.
I'll give it to Ate. No. Daddy, shout. Bye-bye.
How are you guys?
Not having it.
Saka masyado tayo mababasa. Bumaba tayo kasi tayo ng agad-agad. Oh, look at that.
Look how far out there you're swimming, babe. Look at that swimming.
That's so
It's not
low,
deep.
low tide.
There's a fossil. There's a fossil right here.
Look out there.
I don't think, babe. I don't think you can stay there, babe. I don't think you can stay there in the, unless you are staying in the hotel, huh? Okay. Okay.
There's a stairway there.
So meron din stairway going up there.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is the, baby, this is, I guess, the easiest way going to our place. That one.
Straight up. We can go either way. When we go back, we'll go up there, no?
Yes, I
There's the
guess.
stairs.
Yes, I guess.
Wow. Now
Take a boat, try to enjoy the China girls. Such price at 3,000.
You get these, huh? Huh? You pay for these? Huh? No. Where's the chairs?
Oh, I told you, that's for the one who's staying in the hotel. Cliff Hotels group, yeah, something like that. Okay, thank you. So those, yung mga, na yan, table na yan, para lang yan sa mga, naka-stay sa Cliff Hotels. Hindi ka pwedeng gumamit niyan unless naka-stay ka sa hotel nila. Yeah, before.
Saan tayo
Over there, oh.
Oh, let's just stay here, no? On this side.
Daddy cannot stay there.
Swimming? Gusto ko na maglaro.
Wait lang. Hindi kayo marunong mag-antay. Hanap muna tayo ng place.
Ang pangit niya.
It's too early, I guess. Nakasarado lahat kasi yung mga umbrella. I heard that it's a holiday today. Wednesday ba ngayon? So yeah, Wednesday, July 3rd. July 3rd. Tapos meron lang isang lalaki na nag-o-offer ng, bukas sila dito, nag-o-offer sila ng boats going to another island. They said, but it start 3,000 baht. So yan. Pag gusto niyo mag-speedboat, Pattaya, yan the Seafarer Tour Pattaya, they offer, but it start 3,000 baht. So yan, naglagay lang kami dyan ng ang tawag dito, ng carpet or kumo, tapos upuan para kay boss. Kasi sarado sila ngayon. Hindi sila nag-offer ng mga at saka wala ding vendors ngayon. Usually may vendors dito, nagtitinda ng mga kung anik-anik mga pagkain at tubig. Pero ngayon wala talaga kahit isa. Isa lang nakita namin nagtitinda ng pinya. Yan guys, anong ginawa nila kay Choy Choy? Binauna na nila si Choy Choy. Where's my Choy Choy? Saan si Choy Choy ko? Wala ko itong mga ate nila. O, tingnan mo daw ginawa nila kay Choy Choy. Wow! Nice one. Where is Choy Choy? Where's my Choy Choy? What's happening in this world? Go! Oh, where's Choy Choy? Oh! Oh! Ang laki. Ang laki-laki mo dyan, te. Grabe kayong masama-taba.
Ay, gumagalaw ka! Gumagalaw.
Yung suso nilang yung nakita na.
Di pa tapos. Di pa tapos. Matiin yung sa amin. Ako matiin sa'yo. True.
Stop.
Ganto na kasi.
Oh, that's a bird. Yan na. Okay na. No. Stop.
Kita pa yung bra mo. Di pa na mo. Dapat ko dyan. Di pa tapos. Pakalaki mo. Ah! Ay, pakalaki mo. Di talaga sa matatapos.
Okay na.
No, iba. Kala ko patigan. Patigan sa sabi. Tugal nga.
Okay na yan.
Ihapakan mo na.
Paka ko na.
Yeah.
Paka ko na.
Taray.
Go. Go na te.
Mami naman. Mami.
Oh, hello guys.
Hello guys. Ang gagas ko na wala.
Nasaan?
Wala.
Oh, nawala dyan sa ano? Nawala dito? What did you do?
Dumunat sa kamay ko.
Eh?
Asa na pa? Mga bata?
Ayun.
Look what I found. There's a crab inside.
Let me see.
The hermit crab is the name.
Hermit crab. Ayun guys, andi sa loob. Ayun oh. Ayun oh.
Iwan mo, Mi.
Ha?
Iwan mo.
Hindi mo nang kuko ko.
No, kon.
Back away.
Put it there. Oh, hintayin natin na ano siya. Nalabas? Talaga ba?
When you guys are moving, it's going to start. It won't come out.
Oh. Kapag
Because
alam
moving,
niyang may
he can feel you moving.
masisense niya yung moving ng tao. Hindi siya lalabas. So may crab dito inside. Ito. Galing. Ayun.
If you put it on water in the sand like that, and it will come out.
Oh,
It will come out there. Later pa yun
I will
lalabas.
let it free na.
yeah, set it free.
Oh, set it free. Bye. Big bot bot. What's that?
Throw it back.
Oh. There you go.
Mommy, look at this.
There it is.
I found another clam.
I had a mini of
I have seashells and a clam. It's still alive, so I have water here so the clam don't die. I just saw it. It's just so beautiful. I put it back.
Okay, it's still alive, ha?
The crab is moving.
So yan guys, medyo nag-aambon ng konti dito sa Cozy Beach. Ligpit ko lang yung gamit namin ng konti. See you guys! Bye!